I'm Rehana. Today I want to talk about relational and non-relational databases. We have passed and are passing through the era of information explosion. Therefore, to use a large amount of data or big data in correct and easy way, we need to store them in suitable databases. We have two types of databases, relational and non-relational. The first issue that express the key differences between these two types is the way in which these databases structure data. SQL, relational databases can contain various different tables. Entities are arranged in rows, and the columns are used to display data about each item. A relationship between the table and type of fields is called a schema. Before before any data is entered, we must define different we must define clearly and completely a schema. If your data is not clearly defined or properly structured, then it is very difficult for you to create a schema. Instead, you can use NoSQL, non-relational databases, which are much more flexible than its counterpart. In these databases, unstructured data such as images, videos, articles, and other things can store in a document um, easily found. Using this mode requires more processing and more memory than SQL. The successful development of relational databases during more than 30 years of commercial dominance indicates the victory of the victory of computer science and software engineering for data management. Because in the world full of information technology evolution, rarely a theoretical concept achieves such continuous success and is widely implemented. But in the relational database as a theoretical concept was able to prove this success. However, big data seems to have caused a change in current database in current market. Today we are faced with a large amount of data, for example, social media, news article, etc. As we said, this data is unstructured data that can be stored in non-relational database. Therefore, it seems that in the future, the popularity of the relational database will decrease due to the change in the nature of the data, and we will see growth of non-relational database. As the big data gets bigger, the companies are increasingly turning to non-relational database. But since analytics tools for NoSQL are still in their in their infancy, and also because the enterprises have been using and getting used to relational databases for over 30 years, the migration to non-relational databases and the complete elimination of relational databases is not going to happen anytime soon. And so relational databases are still leading the way.